Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by capturing clean audio so your video is usable without heavy editing. Use an external USB mic or a phone mic close to your mouth. This reduces noise and improves clarity. Once done, open Voice Memos and make a short test take to set levels do not clip. Make sure background noise is minimal and name the memo clearly. This first step gives you a usable source that saves time during editing and keeps your narrative consistent. Now focus on refining the raw recording so it sits well over visuals. Trim unwanted silence and breaths right away. This tightens pacing. Normalize the audio to around -6 dB so headroom remains for music or effects, and apply a gentle EQ to bring out clarity in the 1.54K HZ range. Once satisfied, export as WAV or high bitrate AAC and use clear file names. These choices prevent rework and make assembly in your video timeline seamless. Finally, bring the memo into your video timeline and sync it to your visuals using markers or waveform peaks. Place voice on its own track and duck background music, either with a sidechain compressor or manual automation, so speech remains prominent. Check transitions and apply a limiter to prevent clipping. Export the completed video with matching sample rates to avoid pitch or playback issues. If something goes wrong, first verify sample rate and mono versus stereo alignment before re-rendering.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.